Y'all, do you see this hairline? We back at it again with another Outre Perfect Hairline Collection unit, girl.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another unit from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. This one is in the style Annalise, and I'm wearing it in the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this one, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps, as well as an elastic band that is not adjustable. It does come with 13x6 parting space as well as baby hairs, and it is pre-plucked, honey. So I just wanted to come in and show y'all a little bit of what this hairline is looking like, honey. So normally I have the same routine when it comes to doing my units and making the lace melt, but today I decided to do something a little bit different. So I did go in with my Ebin lace tint spray in the color dark brown and just spray the vicinity of the lace as always. But then, as a tip that I picked up from Wheezy Wig Reviews, I went in with the Magic Root cover up in the color dark brown and just sprayed that specifically around the hairline of the unit to actually get rid of that white cast. And I did realize that once I did this, that white cast was completely gone. And then I just went in with my blow dryer on hot to dry that out so it wouldn't leave any of the product on my cap. So I just went in and let it dry. Then, as always, of course, I went in and cut the lace. I just did this on camera just in case you guys wanted to see how I cut my lace. Normally I do it on my head, but I just did this on the mannequin so you guys can see. After I cut the lace off, I did get pretty close to the hairline, and it is looking pretty nifty if I don't say so myself, honey. So next, I just went in with also another new product that I found, the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond, and I use this to tack down my lace. Normally I do go in with my Got To Be Firm Ultra Hold Spray, but for this I had seen a lot of positive reviews on it, so I just wanted to try it out and see if it could actually adhere my unit down better than the Got To Be products, and I feel like it did. So after I did go in with this and spray and adhere the unit down, I did just go in once again with my blow dryer to make sure that was good to go, dry it down, get it all tacky, honey. Don't want any lifting up in here. So I did just go in, like you see, the blow dryer. I went in with my Juvia's palette concealer in the color Kufuru to just get around those edges, make sure that that lace is blended as much as I could get it. So as you could see, the concealer color is a little bit darker, but I feel like that worked well with this unit. Now I'm just going in and parting it. And honey, there is no concealer on that. Look at that. No concealer. Now I'm just going in and, as always, doing my baby hairs. And sometimes it takes me a little while to get it going, so I just part out the baby hairs to where I want them before I add any product to them. And now I'm going to go in with my edge booster and just apply that down so they can stay in the place that I want them. So now I'm just applying the edge booster, pressing them into the place that I want them to be. And then I go in with that Ebin bold hold just to actually make sure they stay in place, honey. And I do this with all the baby hairs around, as you can see, just so that they could stick in place. And I feel like that bold hold did work really well to keep them in place. Now I'm just going in with my concealer on top of that. And to get these curls to pop a little bit more, give me some more density, I did go in with my wide tooth comb and just comb the curls out some. And then to get the hump action gone, I did go in with my Ebin wax stick just to get that hump action a little bit more maintained. You can go in with heat if you want to, but I did not feel like it, so I just smacked that wax stick on there and brushed it right into the unit, and I feel like it's looking pretty nifty. So that's pretty much my whole routine, you guys. I just threw in some looks for you. Of course, you know I always like to style the units in multiple ways just in case you're interested in seeing how it'll look on you. So as always, I'm not surprised that the hairline on this is wonderful. So the density on this unit I feel like is very nice. If I had to guess, it's more so on the natural side. It's about 150% density, so it's super natural. It's definitely not too little hair, and it's definitely not too much. This seems like it would definitely be a good one to get away with for the summer because it's not heavy on my head at all. And as far as the length is concerned, it's pretty nice. I'm 5'3" for reference, and this one comes just below my boobs. So it definitely is a nice and natural density as well as length. The texture on this one feels like, I want to say it feels like a medium relaxed yaki. This one feels like it definitely could get possibly a little bit more silky with more wear, but right out of the box it definitely is giving me slight yaki vibes, so definitely keep that in mind for sure. It feels very soft. I did get some shedding. I didn't get any snags with this, so keep that in mind as well. This cap size is definitely coming off small, medium, and big head friendly. I did just pop in there and adjust the adjustable straps all the way, and now I feel like that elastic band as well as the straps is fitting my head very secure, very snug, so I'm here for that. Two of the products I tried today were new, and I honestly feel like I like my results a lot more than I have in the past. I feel like this lace bond adhesive spray worked out phenomenal. Like, it is, honey, it is on my head, girl. It definitely feels like it's giving more security than any of the got to be sprays and glues that I've used in the past. So I definitely feel like this one is holding up very nice, honey, as you can see too. You're not seeing any of that cast or anything like that. So I do feel like this L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up definitely helped with the front of the unit for sure. I feel like that is perfect, honey, with no concealer on top. What do you do to that? So I definitely am impressed with this new routine that I'm trying. So I feel like in the future with my unit for tinting the lace, I definitely will be using Ebin tinted lace spray in the color dark brown. Then I'll use the Magic Root Cover Up in the color dark brown as well, just specifically around the edges. And then I will go in with this Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray from Ebin and just tack that bad boy down. And honey, I feel like you will be good to go. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. I don't necessarily think I have any cons with it, to be honest, besides, like I said, it being having some shedding, but it's nothing too crazy. It's pretty much expected, and a little bit of hump action that I feel like can be remedied with heat, because this one is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I did just go in with my wax stick and wax that bad boy down a little bit because I didn't feel like adding heat to this, but if you did want to get rid of that hump, you definitely can. So honestly, those are two very minor details. So I don't really think they're big cons, but I just figured I'd throw that out there. So as far as the pros are concerned, as always, you guys know my biggest pro with this is going to be the hairline. As always, Outre has hairlines down packed, and I just feel like with the lace that they use, it's much easier to mask than a lot of the sensational units. So I definitely like the lace, I like the baby hairs, I like the hairline, I like the texture, I like the density. I think the wave pattern is super cute. It's kind of reminding me of the Outre Charisma unit, but a little bit shorter and a little less density. So if you are a fan of the Charisma unit, you probably will be a fan of this one as well. Just like I said, girl, they're definitely similar, but it's a cute look, you know. It's a cute look, and it was pretty easy all in all to get this look going. So honestly, I don't really have nothing bad to say about it. But honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.